Leafy green vegetables are good for you. We all know this. But what makes greens so special? What makes them crucial for good health inside and outside? And what are some surprising benefits that you may not have heard of before? Let's discuss. Hi everyone, welcome to Free Range Diva, where you will find helpful information to enhance your beauty and wellness routines. My name is Cheryl, and in today's video, I've got nutrition information about leafy greens, lots of health benefits, how much you should consume in order to get the maximum benefit, how to easily meet your optimum amount of leafy green goodness, and finally, I've got a beautiful green salad that not only incorporates lots of leafy greens, but is also a satisfying meal. So let's start with the basics. First off, I want to make sure that you understand that we are only going to be talking about leafy green vegetables, not root vegetables or fruit vegetables, just the green leafies. Also, I'm not a medical professional. This information in this video is to give you food for thought, and also be advised to always check with your doctor before you make any changes to your diet. And also, I'm going to be looking away a little bit because, as usual, I have notes. Okay, first of all, leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals like A, C, E, and K, folate, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. They provide antioxidant protection to fight inflammation, which can lead to some of the most serious degenerative diseases, things like autoimmune and heart disease. The antioxidants in greens include lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. Beta-carotene in particular is needed by the body to facilitate a healthy immune response. And arugula and kale in particular have very high levels of beta-carotene. Finally, leafy greens provide fiber for digestion and nutrient absorption. It supports the body's ability to make digestive enzymes, particularly those that are needed to break down protein. The quantity of digestive enzymes can be deficient in the body due to things like food sensitivities, chronic stress, and aging. That's the basic nutritional information about leafy greens, but I have some additional information about some surprising ways that greens can be beneficial to your health and longevity. The B vitamins in leafy greens support your brain health, and that's because of folate, or vitamin B9, which is found in higher quantities, by the way, in organic vegetables. Folate impacts the brain by facilitating the production of neurotransmitters. These are chemicals that relay messages from the brain to other parts of the body. Also, folate helps to produce feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin, so it's a stress reliever. And speaking of stress, greens help to heal a stressed out gut. And that's thanks to high levels of potassium, which is a mineral and an electrolyte. So if you have any digestive tract issues like food sensitivities, reflux, bloating, SIBO, or yeast overgrowth, get some more greens into your diet because they can help to calm things down. Okay, here's a good one. Greens can restore a youthful glow to your skin because of the high amounts of beta-carotene, also known as vitamin A. Beta-carotene is also a natural sunscreen working from the inside out. And kale is one of the best sources of beta-carotene, but its goodness is better absorbed by cooking, juicing, or dehydrating. One serving of greens with every meal leads to healthy glucose levels. And spinach and kale are the stars here because they're also high in vitamin C. Dark leafy greens are excellent for detoxifying because that color comes from chlorophyll. And chlorophyll binds to heavy metals and toxins and carries them out of the body. Chlorophyll also supports your liver to aid in the creation of the body's master antioxidant, glutathione. Sometimes the nutritional benefits of greens are better absorbed raw, and sometimes they're better absorbed cooked. It depends on the particular nutrient. Here's a tip. If you're going to have your greens raw, like a green salad, then the nutrients will be better absorbed if you include a healthy fat. So make sure to add some olive oil to the vinaigrette when you're putting that on your salad. Sometimes a particular food or vegetable may be out of season. Sometimes our vegetables are not grown in the most optimal soil conditions. Big ag tends to default to yields, and that can compromise the nutritional density. Also, nutrients can be lost when vegetables are transported from one place to the other. So I like to use a green supplement as an insurance policy. I've tried a lot of supplements over the years, different green blends, and I have found one that I absolutely love and wholeheartedly recommend. This is it. It's called Live It Up Super Greens. It's dehydrated vegetables and has lots of chlorophyll-rich foods like spirulina, chlorella, which can be impossible to get in your regular diet. It also has lots of leafies, spinach, kale, wheatgrass, dandelion greens, parsley, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. And all of that with no sugars or additives. The reason I love this powder so much is because of the dramatic effect that it's had on my health. Since I've been taking 1 teaspoon of this a day, adding it to my smoothies or a glass of water or juice, not only do I have a ton more energy, but I have been sleeping 7, 8, sometimes 9 hours straight a night, regularly. This is so important for someone like me who has struggled with insomnia since I was a child. It's probably due to the minerals in here, or maybe it's just all that dopamine that's being made. But whatever it is, my body is definitely buying what this stuff is selling. And I have a coupon code and a link below if you're interested in trying it. And one of these packages lasts me 2 months. All right, so to inspire you to get more greens into your diet, I've got a salad for you. It's a delicious salad from Valerie Bertinelli's latest cookbook. So join me as I make her California Cobb salad. Okay, here's a quick look at all the ingredients that are going in this salad. You see a nice big head of romaine lettuce, radishes, bacon, avocado, cherry tomatoes, 2 of which I actually grew. But my tomatoes mostly are still green, so they're not quite ready to be harvested yet. So I got some eggs, and this is going to be the dressing, and I wanted to give a shout out to Primal Kitchen because I love their products. I've been eating their mayonnaise for years, and the barbecue sauce, it's their classic unsweetened barbecue sauce. It is just out of this world. So anyway, I'm not going to be making the dressing from scratch. I'm just going to use the Primal Kitchen. All right, so the first thing I have to do is chop all these ingredients up because this is a Cobb salad after all, so everything gets chopped. Going to cut the eggs into quarters. feels right. Okay, so this avocado is not right all the way in. So part of this, that's annoying. It totally feels right. And usually when avocados look like this, the outside is rotten. So let's just see. Yeah, the outside is not bad. The outside is good. So let's cut this, and then we'll cut out the part that's too tough. And you can see it's just hard as a rock. So we won't be using that. I'm just going to cut this into cubes. That looks good. It's only missing one thing. I don't think you can have a Cobb salad without blue cheese, right? Well, I'm having it. Valerie makes her dressing from scratch, but I'm just going to cut corners a little bit here and use this ranch dressing from Primal Kitchen, and I'm going to add some blue cheese to it to turn it into a blue cheese ranch. There we go. Oops. We'll just put that on the salad. Lunch is ready. The only thing that this salad did not have that is in the original recipe was quinoa, because I forgot to buy it. But I don't think it needs it, I mean, goodness. But if you wanted to cut back on something like the bacon or something, you could use a grain like quinoa to up your protein. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and the information in it, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. And until I talk to you in my next video, I'm going to wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Enjoy a healthy salad tonight, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!